Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general settings, then scroll down, select the option called About Your Watch and tap on it, then scroll down and find the option called Reset All Data and Settings. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.